Hello, today we will teach a problem in sequence and series. This is an important chapter for JEE Main and CBSE in mathematics. So the problem is sum up to n terms of the series 1 by 4 plus 7 by 16 plus 37 by 64 and so on. The four options given are as follows. So we have to pick the right one in this. So let us now go to the solution. So the answer is C, n minus. Let us see how we reach to this solution. So in such problems, it's obvious that this does not look like a arithmetic progression, because if you see manually, if you subtract 7 by 16 minus 1 by 4 and 37 by 64 minus 7 by 16, you will not get the same number. You can check it quickly by making 1 by 4 as 4 by 16, so you'll get 3 by 16. If you make 7 by 16 as 28 by 64, you'll get 11 by 64, something like 9 by 64. So those are different. So there is a trick in such problems. The trick is to identify how we can change each of these terms to make them finally get into an arithmetic progression. So that is the trick. So let us see how we go about doing it. So in this explanation, it says what is the rth term of the series. But before that, let us show the hint. Let me show you a hint of how to go about this. So if you observe carefully, you see that the first term is 1 by 4, and I can write it as 1 minus 3 by 4, which is 1 minus 3 by 4 to the power of 1. The second term is 7 by 16, which is 1 minus 9 by 16, which is, by the way, 1 minus 3 by 4 squared. And you can try it for the third term, 37 by 64, and you will see that it's exactly 1 minus 3 by 4 to the power cube. And there we have got the idea that the general term in this can be written as 1 minus 3 by 4 power r. And right there, now we know that this is a AP, where the generic term is 1 minus 3 by 4 power r. So how do we then go about doing it? All we have to do now is we have to summation 1 minus 3 by 4 power r from 1 to n, because the question is to sum up to n terms. So we know that summation 1 for r equal to 1 to n is n, because it's 1 plus 1 plus 1 till n, and then minus, then we have the summation of 3 by 4 power r. This is a general which is basically the general formula, which is the a times 1 minus a power n by 1 minus a. So basically so that is so we're going to use it as summation of 3 by 4 power r equal to 1 to n. So which is and that we have got that. So that exactly, now if you simplify this, you will see that if you simplify, basically 3 by 4 goes down, 1 minus 3 by 4 becomes 1 by 4, so the 4 and 4 get cancelled, so you are left with 3 times 1 minus 3 by 4 power n, and that is answer C.